Vegan Law Company and Invent Software proudly presents application Wirtualny Audytor. This software is dedicated to transport companies. It performs and manages the 79 types of documents and records which necessarily must have a transport company. Application is based on 7 modules which, depending on needs, co-manage or replace the 4 different departments of transport company in documentation of Secretariat, Human Resources, Transport Department and Legal Department. In this short movie, we'd like to focus on interface and the service of this application. The main phase of program use is introduction of documents which companies should have. It is much easier because application own self asks for the documents, starting on the licenses and certificates which company have. After the introduction of documents, we are starting with adding the employees. In this phase, application own self is checking, for example, the correctness of medical certificates. Wirtualny Audytor, under the care of HR documentation alone, with minimal attendant, creates a valid driver's briefcase, consistent with PIP or ITD. Recall that the correct driver folder should contain 20 different types of documents. The program can either enter the information about drivers and about the other employees. Another important feature is the ease of creating applications for certificates of drivers. Simply right-click on any of the selected driver, select the option A New Certificate from Quick List. Fast we can choose whether the driver had a day off, fetch, rest state, for example, or sick leave. The next step is the transfer of input information about the fleet of cars. In this detailed module is the place for information about the technical data of vehicles, together with an analysis of terms. Here you can select the date of expire of insurance contracts, inspections, and even the terms of legalization of fire extinguishers. This module also allows the selection of any repairs carried out in the car. It is possible to creating a whole story from the time the car survives business. A very important part of the input data is auto insurance. After administration of the rates of OC and AC for your car, the program can automatically check whether it is possible to obtain for your fleet insurance cheaper deals by searching more than 300 multi-agency insurance. It often happens that thanks to this innovation, the company saves hundreds of zloty a year for each car. After entering all the data, the program goes into control of the documentation. In main window displays a list of irregularities in the company. A few minutes program does this for that we will be able to pay several thousand in the legal audit or analysis of the company in terms of business. Marked in the red are the weaknesses that prevent the smooth functioning of the company. Marked with black color are the information on upcoming important dates for the company. Just one click, the program has done a missing document. The company has already completed our employee data, this huge time saver. The program has a wide base of training for both the driver and office worker. Thanks to specially prepared materials and instructional films from track radios, you can get advice on how it should look like a medical certificate, how to properly interpret Article 12 of Regulation 561, or how to behave during the inspection on the road. The application also has a daily legal news given in the form of actualities. A very important argument for the program are the daily updates. The program almost every day from the server retrieves the law firm Legal Vegan, download latest information on changes in legislations. This allows you to become independent from their own ignorance about the ever-changing forms, documents, designs, prints. When any form of document changes, you get this in the main window for immediate information. The program uses hundreds of successful transport companies in Poland. The program runs flawlessly hundreds of documents and personal transport. Wirtualny Audytor is a unique global solution allowing transport company to do not pay the penalty for the documentation. We invite you to purchase this software. For this purpose, please contact us on 502-189-290 or bureau@ttl-vegan.pl.